Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to solve a linear equation which is x plus 7 is equal to 15. For more update, please visit mathstoon.com or check the link given in the description box. Now let's start. This is our given equation. Now to solve this equation, we have to find the value of x. To find that, we will subtract 7 from both sides. If we do so, we get x plus 7 minus 7 is equal to 15 minus 7. That means in the left hand side, we get x. As plus 7 and minus 7 is equal to 0. And in the right hand side, we have 15 minus 7. So we get x is equal to 8. And this is our final solution of the equation. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.